All right, you ready for the next part? It's the red plus. Why do I call it the red plus? Well, it's red. The front view is the plus. So, what we're going to do is we're going to start with that front view, and then we'll extrude it out, and then we can add the last cube here that's kind of sticking out from there. Extrude that out. So, let's jump into our Onshape. We are going to go down to the bottom here, where we're going to add a new part studio. And I'm going to go ahead and just name that now. So I can right click on this, I can rename it. I'm going to call it red plus. So I'm going to do a, just like we've been doing, sketch, front. So looking at the front of this, front plane. Now we're going to draw that out. So let's go back to the shape. So we know each of these is a half. So I'm going to start in this corner, and I'm going to go my ½ inch over, ½ inch up, ½ inch over, ½ inch up, ½ inch back. So we're just going to kind of keep going around until we get that shape. Everything should line up. So go in here. I'm going to start with my line tool. Here, go over, click, 0.5, enter. Zoom in a little bit. Up, click, 0.5, enter. I'm going to go to the right. Forget to click first. 0.5, enter, up. Come on. Click, 0.5, enter. Right, click, 0.5, enter. So we're getting the right side of that, and we're just going to keep going around. 0.5, enter. So we go click, 0.5. I brought it right back around. Notice how now it's kind of like knowing, maybe I want to just snap right to it. And then it makes the 0.5. And then I can go to the right, click, 0.5, enter. Going down, so it wants to make a line. No, it's kind of maybe perpendicular, symmetrical there. And now let's go back to that axis line, back down, boom. There we go. So what we're going to do now is like we've been doing, click, extrude that. Actually, I always like to look at it from the isometric view. So to make sure, oh yeah, that's definitely too much because we only want to go 0.5. Check. All right, so now we get the plus. Now we just need to draw a new sketch right here. Do that front view again, zoom in. So we're doing a sketch right on the face of this. And I'm just going to use the rectangle tool because I know it's going to snap to there. And then I can just snap to there. And then I can click check. That sketch is done. Do the isometric view again. We can kind of see that shape is there. Now I just need to extrude that out. 0.5. There we go. And then we want to change the color of it. A couple ways we can do that. We can click right on the shape and right click, or we can click on part 1 and right click, and it will go edit appearance. There's multiple ways to get to that. And it's red, so I'm going to make it, let's just make it a bright red. Check that off. We're done. Now remember, you can right click and kind of drag it so you can see, oh yeah, yep, that looks good. And then you can always do that. Actually, if you right click on it, nope, sorry. Isometric that way. There we go. All right, that is done. Ready to go.